This is Kimberly again. Today I'm going to briefly talk about SPI, Serial Peripheral Interface. SPI is an interface bus commonly used to communicate with one or more peripheral devices quickly over short distance. SPI is a synchronous data bus, which means that data transmissions are synchronized by clock. Clock tells the receiver when to sample the bits on the data line with rising or falling edge of its signal. In SPI, the only side that generates the clock, usually called serial clock or SCK, is called master, and the other side is called slave. There is only one master, but there can be multiple slaves. When data is sent from the master to a slave, it's sent on a data line called master out, slave in. If the slave needs to send a response back to the master will continue to generate a prearranged number of clock cycles, and the slave will put the data onto a third line called master in, slave out. Remember, SPI has data exchange mechanism. Even though it is data write operation, which means that there is no data transmission from any slaves, master always receives data. It should be ignored in this case. SPI is full duplex, which means that it has separate send and receive lines. So in certain situations, you can transmit and receive data at the same time. There's one last line you need to know. SS, slave select. It tells the slave that it should wake up and receive or send data, and also used when multiple slaves are present to select the one you want. The SS line is normally held high, which disconnects the slave from the SPI bus. Just before data is sent to the slave, the line is brought low, which activates the slave. When you are done using the slave, the line is made high again. Now we have looked at some basic concepts of serial peripheral interface. Please leave your thoughts and opinions on the comments below. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos. See ya!